I was on YouTube browsing this morning and I saw this video with this famous content creator. Her name is Pretty Nikki. She's also a TikToker. Yes, guys. So when she was talking about her 16-year-old daughter, oh, she went all out for that little girl. And when it was Mother's Day, she don't even wish her mom a happy Mother's Day. She went and she make breakfast and she passed her mom. That's why her mom made that video. She was crying, Pretty Nikki. So sometimes, guys, sometimes you're pouring too much into these kids because she said she went through like her mom used to abuse her when she was small, a child. So that bring me down memory lane when I was a child growing up in Jamaica, living with my mom, and sometimes my mom used to take out her frustration on me. Yes, guys, she used to beat the hell out of me. Anything that she grabbed, she used it and beat me. And I could not take it anymore. I was 11 that time, and I just pack a bag, scandal bag, and I just throw whatever I could throw in there. And I went by my grandparents. Even when they were say, "Go up to your mother." Yes, they call me Tommy. Tommy, go back to your mother. And one of my aunts said, "You know that Mimi is abusing Tommy." Yes. So sometimes when you have your kids, you're pouring into them so much. Because when I have my kids, guys, I trust nobody around them. Everywhere I'm going, I bring my two daughters. And when they came to Canada now, and I came after, I realized that my second daughter, she never happy to see me. She never happy to see me, but my big daughter, she happy to see me. So sometimes when stepmothers grow your kids, they poison their minds against you. And it's that happened to my second daughter. But now, she's cool. Mother's Day, she get me something. Mother's Day, my daughter get me something. Yes, I even from the dollar store, your kids can go and buy stuff and gift wrap them. So when sometimes it hurts to see Pretty Nikki come out and talking about her daughter behavior. Even the son. She said the son is a citizen in America, and she told him to go and join the army, so that he could fight for her. Just go in the army for 3 years. He decided, he said, no, he's going to go his way. So sometimes when you invest into these ungrateful pitney them, because when she was talking that, when it is like winter, she shovel snow, she wash car, she do every little odd jobs just to bring in money, just to keep a roof over her kids' heads. And is that the way they repaid her on Mother's Day? Her son said he wants to go on his own because once from their kids certain age, you want to go on their own. I remember when my first daughter, when she landed her first job in Canada. Yes, guys, and when she get that job, she decided, say, yes, I'm going to move on. We said, stay and go to school. She don't even want to go to school. She don't even want to go to college or university, guys. And we were there just back and forth with her, back and forth. And she get her room and she move out and everything. Before she move out, she don't even want to pay a bill. She don't even want to give money towards grocery. Nothing. And when she lost her job out there, because I always check up on her, sometimes I would call her. She don't even want to pick her phone. She don't even want to pick her phone. And when she lost that job now, so when she told me that she lost her job, I turned to her and said, who are you managing out there? And I said, if it's nothing, I will talk to your dad and you can come and stay in the basement. No, she's here with us, but 6 to 7 months now, guys. So sometimes when you pour into your kids so much, sometimes I remember when I carry my two daughters to the dentist for a checkup and clean up and everything. And the first daughter, I always turn to her and say, floss and brush before you go to your bed. And each and every time I bring her to the dentist, cavities keep on increasing. Yes, guys, keep on increasing. But my second daughter, she always brush her teeth. She always have less cavity. Said I find myself because every 2 weeks I have to go and fill those cavities. Sometimes I'm paying her $500, $300, $400 every 2 weeks out of my salary. Sometimes it hurts to the core. And she's telling me about dental insurance. They said I'm working minimum wage. It's minimum wage I'm earning. I need to brush her teeth, floss at night and everything. And she was there just big paparing, and when that time me and her was in the lobby area. Yes, well, when she ready to go and get her teeth filled. So sometimes when you pour into them so much, they pay you back with ungratefulness and it start reaching pretty Nikki. Me say when I was watching that video, guys, I almost cry. It bring me down memory lane. That's why we as parents, not because you start at make kids, save your money and educate yourself somewhere. As much as I'm in my 40s now, I want to go back to school. I want to learn some farmer skill. Because when I was young, my father paid me no mind. My mom was an abuser. Yes, guys, abuse me, take out our frustration on me. So sometimes in life, we as parents, we have to secure ourselves. Because when Pretty Nikki was talking, that she have lupus. You think it is when you have certain sickness in America and you don't have papers and you're putting your kids every time in front of everything? She said she don't even want to have a boyfriend, bring home a boyfriend into her house because sometimes these men, when they see your girls, child, they get so messed up in the head. So when she was talking about that young girl, 16-year-old, ungrateful. But you see, if I was you, Pretty Nikki, you see, as she catch 18, she have to leave me house, As she catch 18, she have to leave up. That's me, guys. I'm not beating around the bush. When you see them ungrateful, so you can't keep them in your house. When them catch 18, let them go. Because that little girl is not for you, Pretty Nikki. Those tears that you were shedding, that little girl is not for you. When you pour into them, when you do every little hard jobs just to keep a roof, you don't have no father figure. You cannot call upon no father and say, bring in this money, bring that. You alone did it, Pretty Nikki. Look out for yourself because that young girl, your son, they're just for themselves. Yes, even this lady in Jamaica, she was a farmer. And she sent her one and only daughter to college, university, even overseas. And when her mom showed up at the airport and wanted to hug her, she sidestepped her mom. So when that lady was talking, it bring tears to my eye. It bring me down memory lane. It bring me down memory lane. So we as mom, we have to open our eyes. Start putting away money for rainy days. Don't let your kids them know everything. Don't give them the access to your bank account. It's all about them. It's all about them. So we as parents have to look out for ourselves. Because I'm talking from experience, Nikki, Pretty Nikki there, and TikTok. Yes, man, I know a lot of people probably sharing that video from all different platforms. We mothers, we have to wake up. Wake up and educate ourselves. Pour into ourselves. Plan some trips. Enjoy our money. Because when you make that money, enjoy it too. Enjoy it because when your kids when they have their family, and yes, man, they're not going to remember you. So you have to start pouring to yourself, start loving yourself. Ladies. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Let's have a wonderful day. Bye.